Hello friends, welcome on my YouTube channel Physics by Pradeep Kumar. Now in this video we continue your last lecture in which we discussed about the contact forces and non-contact forces. Okay, so first of all we discuss here non-contact forces. This is the second types of the forces. Non-contact forces means when two objects acts the force any other object without any contact. देखिए डेली लाइफ में कुछ ऐसे फोर्स भी एग्जिस्ट करते हैं जो विदाउट एनी कॉन्टैक्ट किसी अनदर ऑब्जेक्ट पर क्या करते हैं, फोर्स अप्लाई करते हैं. जैसे सपोज़ कीजिए कि आपके पास ये मार्कर है और इस मार्कर को यदि मैं फ्री कर दूं तो आप देखेंगे कि अर्थ जो है अपने ग्रेविटेशनल फील्ड के कारण इस पर एक फोर्स अप्लाई करती है विदाउट एनी कॉन्टैक्ट और इसे अपनी ओर क्या करती है, अट्रैक्ट. सिमिलरली अनदर एग्जांपल की यदि बात कीजिए, सपोज़ कीजिए कि आपके पास एक आयरन पीस है और एक आपके पास मैग्नेट है, तो आप इन्हें फ्रीली रख दीजिए तो आप देखेंगे कि जो मैग्नेट है वो आयरन पीस को अपनी ओर क्या करता है, अट्रैक्ट करता है. दैट मीन्स मैग्नेट इस मेटल आयरन पीस पर कहीं ना कहीं एक फोर्स अप्लाई करता है. ठीक है ना. तो इस प्रकार हम ये कह सकते हैं कि आपके जो फोर्सेस होते हैं वो टू टाइप्स के होते हैं, कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्सेस एंड नॉन कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्सेस. ठीक है ना. देखिए इनमें जो इंट्रैक्शन होता है वर्चुअली होता है. क्या होता है, वर्चुअली, विदाउट एनी कॉन्टैक्ट. तो क्या डेफिनेशन होगी आपकी नॉन कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्सेस की? when a body when the force acting on a body acting on an object due to another object without any contact, then this type of forces is known as non-contact forces. For example, force acting on an object at any height from the surface of the earth, ठीक है ना, it's attracted by the earth in downward direction. For example, force acting on an object at any height due to earth is a non-contact force. And this type of force, and this is and this force is also known as gravitational force. Gravitational force, which you will study in the last part of your syllabus of the physics. Okay, and second example is, this is example first, and second example is magnetic force. Magnetic force is also a non-contact force. Is also a non-contact force. Okay, and further we can divide the forces are also of two types: balanced forces and non-balanced forces. Okay, write down in your notebook these definitions. After that we will discuss balanced and unbalanced forces. Okay, so wait for some minute. Now we will discuss further. We can classify the forces in two types. Okay, into types in another way. Okay, किसी और तरीके से हम इन्हें क्या कर सकते हैं, फिर टू टाइप से क्या कर सकते हैं, डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. इन विच फर्स्ट काइंड इज बैलेंस्ड फोर्स. Suppose you have an object like this, and if you apply here two forces like that, F, and in also opposite direction F, both are same in magnitude but opposite in the direction, then the resultant of these two forces is 0, and the net force is 0. So this type force is known as balanced force, because this force balanced this force. Okay, and in this condition, since the net force is 0, that means the change in the state will not done. ठीक है ना, तो यहाँ पर इसकी स्टेट में कोई भी चेंज नहीं होगा. ठीक है ना, तो हम कह सकते हैं कि वे फोर्सेस जिनके कारण आपकी किसी ऑब्जेक्ट की स्टेट में चेंज नहीं होता है, बैलेंस्ड फोर्सेस कहलाते हैं. अदरवाइज आपके क्या होंगे, अनबैलेंस्ड फोर्सेस होते हैं. ठीक है ना, तो आप इन्हें डिफाइन कर सकते हैं. क्लियर है? नाउ if the net force acting on a body or object is 0, that is, there is no change in the state of the body, then this type of, then the forces acting on the body is known as R. known as balanced forces. ओके, आई थिंक आपको क्लियर होगा. नाउ here the F net acting on this body is 0 because the magnitude of the force is same but in the opposite direction. So will be the net force will be 0. Okay, because one force cancel out the effect of another force. Now further here we will define the second definition of the force, which is unbalanced force. Unbalanced force means the net force is not 0. Second thing is unbalanced force. What do you mean by unbalanced force? If the net force acting on the body is not 0, then the force is acting on that object is known as unbalanced forces. Unbalanced forces. Okay. And if the force acting on the body is unbalanced, then there will be change in the state of the body. Okay, so now here we can say that in this case there is a change in the state of the body, that is the force, the unbalanced force is that force which change the state of the object. Okay, so try to understand these definitions. In the next video we will discuss about the inertia, okay, which is very interesting point in case of mechanics, and it is the base of the Newton's law of motion. So okay, thank you for watching this video.